top stories for today are: why is Shraddha going around talking about her false patch-up with Yash Raj films? Hrithik's Mohenjo-daro in trouble. Dugu's injury has still not healed. Katrina and Aditya Roy Kapoor's fun chat with Spotboy. And will we see Hrithik and Sunny sizzle on screen together? Hey guys, I'm Caitlin and you're watching Spotboy Sab Kuch Bollywood. We all know that Aditya Chopra and Shraddha Kapoor have not exactly been on good terms for the past few years. However, of late Shraddha has been working out at the YRF gym. लेकिन सबसे surprising बात ये है कि Shraddha सबको बता रही है that all is well between Aditya Chopra and her, which, my friends, is not true. So watch out for our top story. Sweet little innocent Shraddha Kapoor छुपा रही है a nasty secret. Shraddha has been telling everyone who'd listen कि उनका और यश राज फिल्म्स हेड honcho आदित्य चोपड़ा का हुआ है पैच अप. After all, वो वर्कआउट कर रही है YRF के जिम में. Surely this means कि अब आदित्य और श्रद्धा के बीच हो गई है सुलह. Yeah, not really. अपने करियर की शुरुआत में ही श्रद्धा ने किया था आदि को अपसेट. She had walked out of YRF's 3-film deal to do Aashiqui 2. Aditya को आया इतना गुस्सा कि he blacklisted Shraddha and decided that YRF would never work with her. हम सबको मालूम है कि श्रद्धा के किटी में है the Hindi remake of Mani Ratnam's Tamil film Okay Kanmani. फिल्म प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं करण जौहर. पर स्पॉटबॉय को एक्सक्लूसिवली पता चला है कि करण नहीं थे the original producer. It was none other than Aditya Chopra. आदि थे ऑन बोर्ड टू प्रोड्यूस द फिल्म. इन फैक्ट डील बस पक्की होनी ही वाली थी जब श्रद्धा ने ली एंट्री. डायरेक्टर शाद अली, जो YRF स्टेबल से है, कास्ट करना चाहते थे रियल लाइफ कपल आदित्य रॉय कपूर एंड श्रद्धा को. आदि ने श्रद्धा का नाम सुनते ही किया कास्टिंग को रिजेक्ट. ही वाज डेड अगेंस्ट इट. इंस्टेड आदि ने सजेस्ट किया परिणीति चोपड़ा का नाम. शाद को लगा that his vision would be compromised if he didn't get his dream cast. इसलिए शाद YRF को छोड़ के गए करण जौहर के पास to make the film. करण को प्रोजेक्ट पसंद आया और अब पिक्चर बन रही है with आदित्य रॉय कपूर and श्रद्धा itself. यानी आदित्य चोपड़ा है श्रद्धा से इतने नाराज कि वो प्रोजेक्ट खो बैठेंगे पर श्रद्धा को कभी कास्ट नहीं करेंगे. Maybe now Sushant Singh Rajput is regretting his decision of cutting his ties with YRF. Well, we hope Shah's decision of leaving YRF pays off, but that's what we think. We would love to know your opinion on the same, so do send in your comments on our portal and app spotboy.com. Moving on to our next report. आजकल आशुतोष गोवारिकर है टेंशन में. क्यों? Well, he has a valid reason. Hrithik's injury is the reason for Ashutosh's tension. Dugu has been advised of further 5 weeks of bed rest, throwing the entire Mohenjo-daro shooting schedule for a toss. Fans definitely expect कर रहे हैं to see Hrithik back in action in Mohenjo-daro. लेकिन लगता है उनको करना पड़ेगा अब और थोड़ा वेट. हमने पहले आपको बताया था कि Hrithik, who injured himself on the sets of Mohenjo-daro, was advised 2 weeks of rest. 2 हफ्ते तो हो गए हैं, लेकिन Hrithik की इंजरी पूरी तरह से हील नहीं हुई है. Doctors are saying that Hrithik की इंजरी है बहुत सीरियस और उनको चाहिए close to another 5 weeks का complete bed rest. 5 more weeks? Now that must be disappointing news for Dugu's fans. लेकिन अब सवाल ये उठा है कि क्या Hrithik के इस extended bed rest से Mohenjo-daro का shooting schedule जाएगा for a toss? Spotboy को मालूम पड़ा है कि Mohenjo-daro की shooting अभी भी 10 से 20% बाकी है. Hrithik करने वाले थे shoot resume sometime in February, but अब फिल्म का क्या होगा? डॉक्टर्स करेंगे एक फाइनल चेकअप sometime in March और उसके बाद ही मालूम पड़ेगा कि डायरेक्टर आशुतोष कब कैमरास रोल कर सकेंगे on his ambitious project. Oh Ashutosh, so near and yet so far. Well, Spotboy wishes you all the best of luck and Hrithik a speedy recovery. And now it's time to go across to my co-host Shadul, जिन्होंने किया एक fun chat with Future stars Katrina and Aditya Roy Kapoor. Listen up, guys.
Come close to the screen, तुम रहना नहीं दूर, छाया है सब पे इन दोनों का फितूर. Girls you can rule, we have Aditya Roy Kapoor. With him is the lady जिसने कर दिया मुश्किल जीना. Raise up your hands for gorgeous Katrina. Welcome to Spot Boy.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was just preparing that for you. First of all,
That's how you know he's listening. Huh?
Yeah, no, the girls in my office have been going crazy. One just fainted, that's why we had to get another director. You want to say anything to all your fans out there?
All the girls in the office?
Yeah. The one who fainted.
The one who fainted, I hope you're all right. And I'm sorry if I'm the reason for this, but it's also flattering. So please keep fainting.
Mushkil tha, you know, standing in front of her every day, doing this intense love story and not fall in love with her.
Was it tough to not fall in love with her?
Yeah, because it's difficult, you know, when she's in front of you and you're doing those scenes, how can you not fall in
You know,
love?
the honest truth is, sorry, I'm interrupting him. I don't think it is. I don't think anyone's standing in front of me and falling in love with me on
Are you
a
serious?
regular day-to-day basis.
Why?
Yeah.
Give yourself more credit than that. Yeah,
Should I?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. I take that
you
back.
should be offended that people are not falling in love with you.
I take that answer back.
You should
Sorry,
be like,
what was the answer?
Maybe they don't
I
come and
take
tell
it
you.
back. We will edit that out. Huh?
See, as an actor, if I start believing everything I'm supposed to do, it'll become a bit of a problem.
That's
if I became a suicidal alcoholic and Ashiki, I would not be here with you.
Yeah, that's right,
So,
actually.
so I'm supposed to draw a line somewhere, right?
Good point. Huh?
Here are like, you know, some quick questions you have to answer. Fatafat, wait. One fitur of your life.
Food.
Yours.
Right now, I'd say no. I'll say dance.
One word you think describes him the best. That'll be fun.
Chilled.
Yeah. And
That's
one
good,
word
that's good.
that describes her the best.
Ninja.
See, I knew he was going to say that, and that's why I
Ninja.
cleared my
Ninja. I
throat.
could say amazing,
No, but I don't
just
like
a cliche
ninja.
thing.
No, I don't like ninja. Give me
I know you
another
don't like
one,
ninja, but
please.
ninja
Please.
is. I would
No,
not
please,
say I said
another
it.
one.
Okay, wait.
Please another.
Once. What? Yeah. Focused.
That's okay. We're going to keep the
forget
ninja.
it.
We have it
Yeah,
on
no,
camera.
just forget it.
Aditya's one annoying habit.
He's not completely all trustworthy. Trusting. Sorry, he's not completely all
Trusting. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
He has a question. Like if you say, "Oh, it's a great picture," or "It's a great," "Oh, you're doing that step so well," like a dance step.
Yeah.
He doesn't believe. Like he thinks you're saying maybe there's like a motive, or you know why, or maybe he just thinks that your opinion is rubbish only. So that annoys me.
In a way, this is good also because I give a lot of credit to my own opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Take this wrong.
I don't
Yeah.
know about you, but if Katrina Kaif tells me you're doing this, well, I'll be like, I am done.
Thank
Bas,
you.
ho gaya.
Yeah.
Ho gaya. As a kid, you were shy, extrovert, cranky, all of the above.
So shy.
You were?
Never spoke.
Psychotic. Child.
Thank you so much for
Thank
being
you so
with
much.
us on Sport One. Thank you.
Thank you.
इस वीक रिलीज हुई दो फिल्में घायल वंस अगेन एंड सनम तेरी कसम सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट व्हाट द बॉक्स ऑफिस हैड टू से अबाउट दीस फिल्म्स इस वीकेंड बॉक्स ऑफिस पर आमने सामने आई घायल वंस अगेन एंड सनम तेरी कसम Ghayal once again, starring Sunny Deol and a few new kids, definitely raced up against the romantic film Sanam Teri Kasam. Ghayal once again ने बनाए 19.25 crores, वही सनम तेरी कसम ने बनाए 2.95 crores over the weekend. बात करें सनी देओल की घायल वंस अगेन की, तो इस फिल्म का बज़ मासेस तक कुछ खास नहीं पहुंच पाया. Although सनी ने अपनी यूजुअल सेल्फ से ज्यादा इस फिल्म को प्रमोट किया, yet it somehow failed to create the Sunny Paji magic. वही दूसरी तरफ है सनम तेरी कसम, जो की है a romantic film directed by Radhika Rao and Vinay Sapru and produced by Deepak Mukut. Since it has newcomers Harshvardhan Rane and Mavra Hukane. फिल्म को एक बम्पर ओपनिंग नहीं मिल पाई, however बाकी न्यूकमर्स की फिल्म के कंपैरिजन में it opened decently well at the box office. ओवरऑल इन दोनों फिल्म्स ने नहीं किया ओवर द टॉप बिजनेस और बॉक्स ऑफिस रहा ठंडा दिस वीकेंड. सनी लियोनी और ऋतिक रोशन जब एक साथ स्क्रीन पर आएंगे, how would that visual be? Hot, right? Well, there is a big possibility that Sanjay Gupta might just get these two together. More on this up next. संजय गुप्ता की लास्ट मूवी थी ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन स्टारर जज्बा, लेकिन उससे पहले उन्होंने बनाई थी द स्टाइलिश शूटआउट एट वडाला. मूवी तो इतनी चली नहीं, लेकिन मूवी में सनी लियोनी का ग्लैम से भरा हुआ लैला सॉन्ग विद जॉन, जो बहुत फेमस हो गया इन 2013. अब खबर चल रही है that Sanjay has approached Sunny once again for another song in his upcoming Kabil, which stars Hrithik Roshan and Yami Gautam. Sunny का glam song definitely will send temperatures soaring. इस खबर को कंफर्म करने के लिए हमने कांटेक्ट किया डैनियल वेबर, सनीज हस्बैंड और संजय को, लेकिन दोनों ने रिप्लाई नहीं दिया। बट अगर ऐसा हुआ तो क्या ऋतिक और सनी एक ही सॉन्ग में होंगे साथ साथ? Well, ऋतिक मैचिंग स्टेप्स विद सनी लियोनी in a movie, now that is as stylish and hot as it can get. That's all for now, guys. But stay connected to Spotboy Sab Kuch Bollywood by logging onto our portal, spotboy.com. Download our app on your Android and iOS, and we're also on Facebook and Twitter. For now, this is me, Caitlin, signing off. But be back for the second edition of Spotboy.